loves, welcome to a wash and style video using the full Umberto Giannini collection, doing my favorite wash and go summer hairstyle. Check this out. In order to achieve a perfect defined wash and go, you have to make sure your hair is rid of any buildup. So I have my shower hot and steamy ready to go, and my hair has been in a bun and a few braids for a week. So I'm going in with the full Umberto Giannini collection, starting off with the 2-product duo of the shampoo and conditioner. This has vitamin B5 in it, and one thing I like to do before I begin my lather is make sure I wet and rinse off any first round of product that I can get out first. And also the first lather is usually for me to remove any product buildup. So I like to start off with the scalp, always focusing on the scalp because that's where the most product buildup is, and then I work my way down the hair shaft. If you're someone who likes to pile on edge control throughout the week like I do, I definitely focus on the edge area and also the perimeter of my hair because I tend to use that. And then also the nape of my neck is also where I tend to use a lot of edge control. So I am making sure to really lather and massage out that product buildup. Then I go in with that second lather to further clean and then rinse my hair out. And I love that squeaky clean feeling, especially when I'm getting ready to apply my conditioner, which is the next product. This is the Curl Jelly Deep Freeze Conditioner. And I am someone who is very heavy-handed with conditioner. So I'm going to pump a lot out. And I do love this because it has really good slip on it. And you're going to see me apply that all over the hair from root to tip. And then I'm going to also use the praying hands method to just further smooth it down the hair shaft. And my favorite part is simply detangling. So as you can see, I am melting away all those tangles with this Curl Jelly Deep Frizz conditioner. And this really just makes sure that you have a very efficient styling process whenever your hair is completely detangled during the conditioner process. Then I follow up with the Banana Butter Repair and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. First of all, the packaging on all these products are so cute, and this banana butter smells so good, y'all. So this is how my hair is looking after that shower of shampooing and conditioning my hair. So now I'm going to apply that butter all over my hair, starting from the ends of my hair and working my way up to the roots. And one thing about me, I do personally love thicker products. As someone that's more on the coarser, kinky, curly side, I always find that using thicker products helps my curls not only be moisturized, but also helps them like form the curls better. So after I apply that butter, I am going to spray my hair with a little bit more water. I like to make sure my hair is saturated with water. This is also moving that hair butter through the hair a lot easier. And just look how my curls are starting to form. It's something about being out of the shower for a little while and my hair drying up. It starts to lose its curl pattern, or the curl shape, I should say. But then applying that water and product, it starts to bounce back. So this is one of my favorite summer hairstyles to do when I want to have my hair kind of out my face, but still want to let the curls be flowy and down. I like to go in with what I call a sleek headband wash and go look. So I'm just parting my hair in a side part swoop style and just moving those two sections out of the way. And then I will also be slicking those down later in the video, but I like to start off by defining my curls first. So I'm just making sure to separate those two. Then for easier styling, I like to separate my hair into large sections. So in this case, for the back portion, I'm going to separate my hair into 3 quadrants. And this is just going to help me apply and define my curls very smooth and easy, and also make sure I don't have too much of a deep part in the back. Next, I'm going in with the Cream to Curl Curl Control Cream, and I really like this next step because the cool thing about this product is it's like 2-in-1. So not only am I adding an extra layer of defrizz product and also moisturization on top of that curl butter, but this acts as a heat protectant, and it's also safe for chemically treated or color treated hair. So that's great to have that extra layer because in this case, when I go in to define my curls, I am going to dry them with a hand diffuser. Now I know I've told you guys that I've been using a hooded dryer, but I wanted to have a little bit more volume, so I am going to go in with that diffuser. So knowing that this has built-in heat protection is really good. And you guys know I've dyed my hair back black, so my hair is chemically treated with color. So I love that extra layer of protection. So I'm going in with my Denman brush, defining my hair. And my problem areas is normally like in the back. Those where the looser curls are. And sometimes I do have to help encourage the curl or the coil at the end. So what I like to do is define it with my Denman brush, but then follow up by finger coiling it to help that curl at the ends. As you can see, the moisture is there. Look at that shine. So I'm just doing that all over my hair. And once I move to the top layer, I kind of don't always go into finger coil it because I don't need to. I just simply curve under that Denman brush and the curls are simply defined. This is like my favorite process, and I just go through each 3 quadrants of section of hair and just do the same defining technique throughout my hair. Next, I'm going in with the Curl Jelly Scrunching Jelly. Now, this is for scrunching, but I'm actually going to use this in 2 ways. So for the top portion or the front portion, I like to call this like a headband effect. I'm actually going to go in with that curl jelly and apply that to the top layer and then move it down the hair shaft. And I am going to kind of re-wet it a little bit too as I apply it, and take a brush to smooth it down and then twist the remaining length of the hair. Now, the way this works is I'm just going to twist the hair up at the bottom and take those 2 twists and tie it to the back of my hair with a rubber band, which kind of creates this illusion of a headband effect. Now, in the sleek swoop part area, this is a little bit thicker, so I do divide it into 2 sections and then apply the curl jelly 2 ways, or in those both sections, and then take the brush and smooth it down. And you want to make sure you kind of mold it in the swoop that you want it to lay in with the curl jelly, and then do the same thing, just twist the length of the hair and then allow that to dry when we're going to diffuse it. And then at the end, you'll see where I tie it to the back of my head. Now, the next way I'm going to use it is exactly how it's intended to be used, and this is scrunching. So like I said, this is a very lightweight gel, so I'm simply going to do that, just scrunch and smooth towards the end section. And I did take a little bit towards the top just to kind of smooth it down, but as you guys can see, my curls are very plump and moisturized, and this is before I even dry it. So normally whenever I see my curls very defined, lush like this before I go in and dry it, I know that the wash and go is going to turn out really good. So this entire product combination is a 10 out of 10. Now you're going to see me take a little bit more of that gel for the top layer, and that's just because I want to make sure it's as sleek as possible, because it is very lightweight. Now I am going to go in and tie it down, and that's where the magic happens. But again, this is how my hair looks wet, and my curls are always deceiving when it's wet. It looks very elongated and wavy, but as I go in and diffuse it and show you guys the finished result, you'll see that this curl combo has my curls literally popping. So this is how it looks after I take that scarf off. The curls are super moisturized, they're defined. I would even go as far to say that this curl product combination definitely gave me a little bit more elongation, and I really like this. The shine is there, the bounce and elasticity is there. Another thing I love about Umberto Giannini products is the fact that their curl jelly is paraben and silicone free, and definitely allowed my hair to be frizz free, especially on the first day, knowing that I used a diffuser. Normally I do get a little frizz, which kind of aids in some of the volume, but the volume is already there, and it has a very light gel cast, which definitely allows me to know that the products are going to allow my curls to last for up to a week. So I'm just showing you guys how I took the twist tied in the back, and this is my favorite go-to summer hairstyle when I want my hair at my face, but I want those curls to be elongated, flowy, and defined and beautiful. You can purchase Umberto Giannini full set of products on Amazon, and I'll link that down in the description box below for you guys to check out. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you in my next hair tutorial. Bye!